Hello, today I'm going to replace master power switch on a 2007 Honda Accord. The driver's side window rolls down fine up and down, but all the other windows, when you push the button, it just clicks. So we're going to replace this today. Let's get started. I've got my door panel tool remover. We're just going to get up under the trim. So we got the master power switch removed. So this goes to the side mirror, we'll unplug that. And this goes to the windows, we'll unplug that. To remove these connectors, you just push this little pin and it'll push that down and slide right out. It's on both. Push it down, slide it right out. Now we're going to have to remove these 4 screws to remove the power switch assembly. So I ordered the new one from the parts store. This brand is a BWD. It looks identical to the factory one. So should be a direct fit. So it's a direct fit. We'll screw it back in. So now we have the new master switch assembly reinstalled. We're going to reconnect our electrical connectors. Got the side mirror. It clicks back in. And the master power switch. Click back in. You're just going to push down the trim until it all snaps back in. Now your master switch is good to go. So now the driver window works. Passenger window works. Back window works. So you're good to go. Now to reset the driver's side automatic, you want to go all the way down, hold it for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and then bring it back up, hold it, 1, 2, 3, and you should be good to go. Now it's on the automatic. It will roll itself up and down automatically. So if your driver's side window is working and your other 3 windows are not, replace this master switch. Once you replace it, you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.